Hello, hello, we are back, y'all. I've got this figured out now, I think. So, we're just setting up the other stream really quick on TikTok. I appreciate anybody who is listening right now, and I appreciate anybody who may be watching right now. We're about to get this all rolling, dude. I just did the expedition, y'all. Just did the expedition, y'all. So I'm trying currently to get my money up again. I had like 3 mil when I was done with the expedition. So I'm trying to at least get back to there. Like 3 mil in total. I had like I had part of it in the credits and then part of it in my inventory. But like in total, my entire character had 3 mil. But yeah, here we go, y'all. Here we go. We got 2 people watching over on the Twitch. What? 2 people. What is up? What is up? We're doing it right now. I'm trying to get some basic stuff. So, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, chat. Welcome in. How are y'all doing? Welcome, welcome. Dr. Eli, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, where are we going? First of all, let me turn this ish down on my... There we go. Where are we going, where are we going? I think I want to try and run hydroponic dome. I'm gonna try. I'm far, so I'm gonna loot along the way. But, softly. We are both streaming on, just for anybody who might possibly get confused. We are streaming on both TikTok and Twitch right now. So if you hear me talk to one chat, I will try to remember to tell which chat I am talking to. But it's going to be a little difficult. I'll get used to it. Dude, I swear if that snitch don't freaking go away, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it for listening to me. Wait, what it... Because that wasn't... What? No, it was the great moment. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Who we got in the Twitch chat, if y'all don't mind letting me know, man? Who we got freaking chilling in the Twitch chat, y'all? Oh, that motherfucker is after somebody else. Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, Caps, brother. I've been playing on console and people don't shoot first, man. I've rarely run into people who shoot first, bro. Like, genuinely, since I've started playing, maybe I've had 20 interactions where people have been bad. And then there's, like, even to the point where I've gotten a little bored and I've tried to do some type of PvP just to get a little better at it myself. You feel? Dude, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I at least from my experience, I try and keep chill with people no matter what, though. Even if I get shot at, I try not to fight back unless I'm in the mood, you know? Because most of the time it's not worth it to get into bad lobbies. See, look, even that guy right there, he could have jumped me. He literally didn't. He just ran right by me, bro. Like nothing. There is the occasional person that steps up, though, and, you know, I'll back myself up when it comes to them, but most of the time, we're chill. Go. Loot this beat. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Dude. Okay, I think we can do this. How does it sound, Cat, by the way? How am I playing on mobile? I'm not playing on mobile, brother. I'm playing on my console, and I'm streaming that to my mobile. There's gonna be a better way, but I don't really care. I want to go fast. Go. I don't know if anybody was in here for the beginning, but I've done the expedition, so I'm trying to get my money up again. I'm just doing like basic stuff, getting my tables upgraded, doing all that shit. I'm really trying to focus on getting basic materials and enough to upgrade the tables I use the most. And like the first couple bits, I did some hurricane caches, and I got literally so many good gun like blueprints. So I'm gonna start like mass producing guns if I can. There it is. Taking out multiple of those things, brother. If there was like a freaking thing for it, I'd be lit. I'd be doing great right now. Somebody already looted this, but people leave good shit all the time. I've had people leave keys before, bro. Like, I'm so dead ass. Why would somebody not bring a, or like pick up a key? Dude. I am always on edge, though. Capped. Specifically just because there are people who decide to fuck around sometimes. Or, like, I will always, like, look out for anybody who rats. Like, somebody who's camping, like, an extract, and I will help out people who get camped at an extract. I'll straight up fuck up somebody that camps at an extract, brother. I don't care. I'll fuck up my entire good rep. If I'm not, it's fully on me if I die here. If I die here, like, it is fully on me. But I've got that shit, all this shit close enough to run to. Ooh, this might be it. This might be it. I have a couple seconds. I think we're good. That thing zoomed right by me. What the fuck? It's coming back. It's circling back. It's trying to find me. Hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry. Other side, other side. Other side unsearchable. Let's go! Get out of there! Run, 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 run. I think I made it. I think we're good, y'all. Me and my buddy played on PC and got ratted all the time. It was nice when we got a kill lobby. Yeah, no, I feel you, bro. I feel you on that, man. There are a lot of rats on PC. If I could not die to this one, that would be fantastic. I think there's a good chance that I will, though. These fireflies, bro, are so hard to kill. They're almost impossible to kill with kettles or anything of the sort. There we go. I'm not trying to rat anybody, so I'm going to stay as out in the open as I can, but I'm also very vulnerable right now. Okay, I think we're good. Pretty sure I lost them. Damn fireflies, bro. Yeah, no, the rats on PC I heard are really bad, but when I do crossplay on console, I don't have any problems. I think pretty much the people who do end up trying to get me are people on PC or like desperate console players that have been like fucked over. But I have chill lobbies, man. I even give loot away. Like when I'm like really, really up on my money, I'll give shit away to people. Because I just enjoy like getting the loot and accumulating it, you know, like building it up. I don't care that I have it, you feel me? And I'll have fun like doing some hardcore raids sometimes. Like I'm building up my keys right now so that I can do some really, really good and fun raids on stream, bro. With like maybe Stella Montis if I can get a couple of those keys. I've already gotten a couple of spaceport keys and dam control keys and shit. So it'll be real fun when I start running them. But I'm a brokey right now, so I gotta freaking get my money up since the expedition. The expedition was so worth it though, dude, already. Because like the boosts that it's gonna be giving me. Heyo, heyo. We can get out together, no worries. On edge. This man. Have a good one, and I wish you luck in your next. Woo! It was a chill raider. Heck yeah, brother. I appreciate you dropping by, Capped. For real, bro. I really do, man. For anybody in TikTok, I was talking to the Twitch chat. Here we go, yeah.
Oh, don't lie. You just came here to see little old me, didn't you?
No, I did not, sir. I can confidently tell you that I did not come to just see you. Bro really tried. Yo, I see we got somebody in the TikTok chat. What's up? We are streaming also on Twitch. If you go into the bio, you can handle that. You can look at that, brother. Money. Ooh, money. Lots of money. Yes. It's amazing. Merge stacks. Yep. The purple app is in the link tree. If you want to come and watch what I consider the superior perspective, but where am I gonna go from here? I mean, I need to do some snitches. Damn. Oh, that's rough, man. All right, let's go. I'm thinking. What do I have? Go after some hornets. There we go. Damn, the Rocketeer drive is going to be really hard to grab. That's going to be really, really difficult to grab. Utility station. Yeah, really, this is like the best one that I can have. I'm so glad I can make these, bro. I'm so glad I can make these now. Those blueprints were legendary to get right away. Yes. Only 11. Okay. Most of them are really good freaking gun blueprints, though. Just in, like, the past couple days, I got a Bobcat blueprint, Tempest, Osprey, Torrente, and then a freaking Volcano, bro. Oh, and the freaking Venator. Or the Venator. Not Venator. Venator. I love the Venator, bro. I don't use it often, but I love it. It's a really good gun. Okay. Let's see. Moderate armor penetration. Wait, that's actually pretty good, though. If I can get a couple more Venators. Ooh, I haven't seen an electromagnetic storm in a while. Oh, but I can make a run on Bird City first. Yeah, I think I'm going to make a run on Bird City first. Then I'm going to make a run on Electromagnetic Storm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Buried City, I have noticed. Way more aggressive. So, I'm gonna have to be a little bit more careful here. Gonna have to be a little bit more careful, brother. I have to watch out in Buried City. Oh, you've got to be joking. Okay, so I need to hit outskirts then. Oh, man. These are
Go to that location.
If I go to that set of apartments, then I should be a lot safer than the Grandioso. Damn, I hate spawning in the middle of a match, brother. It's not worth it, though, since I'm only doing one run. Oh, there's a Rocketeer. That's cool. Isn't that just an amazing thing? Isn't that just a grand time? Wow. Okay, so I am.
Let's go to the Red Tower.
I'm going to try to
go to the courtyard entrance.
After this. Yes! This was a W raid. That toaster is a major item I needed. That's like a specific reason why I came to these apartments, bro. That's awesome. That's actually awesome, y'all. Yeah. There's gotta be some type of kitchen or something, no? Wow, that's interesting. I guess these are like some basic BS.
Let's go to that metro.
If I go past this mother... Loot these houses. I'm trying to get some quick sheet. I wanted to go for trinkets, but I don't know if I can, dude. I'm hearing a lot of gunfire. I'm not sure if it's friendly or not, so... I feel like it's just safer to assume not. I'm not gonna start fights, but I'm gonna be aware that somebody could start a fight. I'm getting shisty with the freaking moves here, y'all. Getting clean with it, dude. Oh, hell yeah. I think these are types that have surgical ish as well. Yes! Nice. Okay, let's go, let's go. Where is it? There. Is it worth it? Let it regen. I'm gonna make a run for it, y'all. Here we are, here we are, here we are. It was worth it. Alright, we got about 5 minutes to get whatever may be left here, if anything. And just dip. Because then we're going to run electromagnetic storm as long as we possibly can after that. No, but no way. No way this is untouched. You're joking, bro. Oh. Dude, you're joking. Dude, this is a W. This is a W. I was not expecting it this late in to be untouched. Holy big W, big W, big W. Yo. Huge, 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 huge. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Or somebody just didn't bother to open these fucking lockers, man. Dumbest mistake of their life, brother. I just got so much money. It's ridiculous. Holy, holy, holy. This is getting progressively more and more sus to stay out. Okay, yes, this is fully unlooted. Who would just leave this area untouched, brother? Somebody was calling the train right now, so I'm doing it at a good time, I think. Because by the time I head back... Dude, give me a key. If I could get a key card here... All is good, all is good. Oh no. Those were not good noises. Those were the noises of somebody dying at the train. I don't know if I trust that, brother. I'm going to this top floor, though. I've still got 3 minutes. It's plenty of time. Plenty of time to hit that. Okay. The longer I wait, probably the better. But equally, there is a chance that somebody hyper-aggressive could be chilling waiting there for me. So we will see. We'll see if I have to get into a tussle, y'all. Okay, so that was somebody getting melted by a fucking bastion. And boom. That's how you fucking do it, chat. That's how you do it. Run, 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 run. Holy fuck. Come on. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Run, 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 run. Yeah, we're definitely chilling. Yes, no problem. I'm calling it. I'm calling it, brother. Damn it, bro, dude. If I was, I might. Damn. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it, dude.
No.
Fuck, dude.
Right here by the door.
I'm so sorry, bro. If you have just a second, if it opens in time, I have heals, man. I can heal you if it opens in time.
If it opens in time, I'm not gonna move no more.
Yeah, don't move no more, brother. I got you. I want to let you know, man. Watch out. There's a guy like over here. I didn't see a guy.
I'm already dead.
Oh no, brother. We got seconds. I'm coming. Are you still here? No. Oh, he passed. Well, brother, over there, if you want to come loot this guy's body and come on through, I'm not gonna touch it. It's just sad. Sad times. Couldn't help him. Guess you didn't want to fuck around. That dude was definitely waiting for somebody to camp. He had a fucking sniper on him, bro. But, it sucks I couldn't get to him in time, man. If I was coming down the other side. Shit. What bad luck, man. What bad luck. I didn't want a chance to get into a bad lobby, but she's I definitely got some things that I needed there. Yes, the 3 toasters. Okay, so which ones were the 3 toasters? It was the refiner. Now I need some arc motion cores. Cool. That's dope. That's dope. Let's do electromagnetic storm, yeah. Alright. Oh. We're doing electromagnetic storm. Electromagnetic storm. Yeah. I appreciate everybody that's watching right now, genuinely, y'all. Like, I don't do these, like, dual streams with TikTok and Twitch much, but, I appreciate it. If y'all want to go over to the Purple app, then we have that in the link tree on my TikTok bio. And if y'all want to go and go to my TikTok, it is Lazy Train. You will be able to look up Lazy Train and find most likely any of my videos or anything I've made.
One monster of a lightning storm. If you must venture out beneath the open sky, then
yeah, I'm gonna go to the testing annex. I think it's genuinely worth it just to hit something close since I spawned in the middle of a match. Because in something like this, man, people are definitely going to be going higher tier loot areas. There's a lot going on that roof. A lot of smoking going on that roof for my comfortability. Put him down, brother. I am aimed in, just in case anybody's tailing me and decides they want to be unfriendly. Somebody's dipping hard. Wait. Where is that? Where am I hearing that? Dude, it's gotta be on the fucking ceiling. Oh no, get away. Alright, testing annex was a flop. Definitely picked dry. Research administration might still have something. It is a higher tier loot area, so it might be untouched. Is there anything close by that I can go? No? Damn, dude. Might be worth it then to see if the testing annex has anything, because it's literally what's close. I can't stay out too long in this bitch. Absolutely beautiful. We're on our way. One thing I do really love and really do enjoy is that the lightning will strike the arc and damage the arc. It's pretty beautiful. It's a pretty beautiful moment when I'm fighting arc and it gets downed by lightning. And I don't have to do anything. Okay, so we're back in here now. I'm gonna actually try and loot this beat. What do we need? We need a texting annex key, dude. Of course nobody opened these bitches, bro, but they've got like good shit in them. I was hoping somebody may have fucking touched them and like done me somethings. Somebody is sneaking around right here. In here. Go down back here to the offices. I am hearing somebody sneaking around. Have a scanner? I've got to be on my edge, y'all. Holy shit. A lot of lootables. A lot of lootables. This might be worth it. Tape. Duck, nice. A little bit of money. Nice. Oh, need that. Gonna need that. Nice. Another used IO scanner. I'll let somebody call it and dip, and then I will dip after them. Man, the texting annex is really like, oh, hell yeah, dude. It's like really only a good place if you get to it like first. It is relatively ass if you are not one of the first picks on it, dude. Alright. Dipping. Nice. I do see somebody's name starting popping up. I've been playing to end somebody, so let's get that right. I just happen to be quite mid at PvP right now, but I'm not afraid. Oh my! Yeah, they're definitely trying to get me with that lightning, brother. Holy shit, bro! If you can chill. Oh, there's a Rocketeer. Nobody's gonna come here, dude. Please, Rocketeer, show yourself as I am being. I am hoping somebody with a wolf pack doesn't fucking come through. There we go. Ain't nobody gonna touch this goddamn bitch now. Ain't nobody gonna touch this motherfucker now, dude. Ain't nobody gonna touch this motherfucker now, brother. That is the strat, y'all. Y'all don't mind running from arc. That is the strat, is lure in a goddamn high-level arc because you can pull the lever and still go away. You can still get out. There is literally no risk to it. Oh, that motherfucker comes up close. Get my health up, and then make a run for it. Make a run for that beach. Make a run for that beach. It's a leaper too. It's okay. I can still make it. This is why we did this, chat. This is why we did this. Because there is now a leaper and a rocketeer backing my extract. Yep. Nobody's gonna fuck with this extract, bro. It's a beautiful moment. This is some new tech, y'all. This is some new tech. Get the arc to back you, bruh. Yeah, 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 Okay, we're doing electromagnetic storm again. We've just got to cross our fingers and hope that we get a good spawn. Cross our fingers, y'all. Cross our fingers. Let's go! Woo! Lazy train's chugging, bro. We're doing it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hey-yo! Oh, perfect spawn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right by the hydroponic domes, y'all. Oh my gosh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We've got to move. Yeah, we've got to move. For real. We'll be the first ones to hit that. Maybe even get the weapons case if it spawns. Passing behind you, just don't want to frighten you. There we go. Chill interaction. That's what I'm talking about. I was a chill person, not looking to cause no problems, and I won't cause no problems to you, man. That's exactly the vibe. Oh, please. Oh, there's two of these right by each other? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Holy. I have to. It's worth it. It's worth giving up the weapons case, man. I don't give a fuck about weapons, but I need these goddamn pieces. If this gives me two surveyors, give me an arc power cell, please. Don't give me just damaged shit. Oh my god, an arc surveyor core? That's something. That's something, I guess. If this is another surveyor, I'm gonna crash out. This motherfucker is another surveyor. That's when you'll have me a little upset, game. Okay, there we go. Good. Alright. Drop that shit, drop it. Go, 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 go. I still gotta be the first one. I still gotta be the first one, bro. There ain't no way that anybody else hit this. My ass. Oh, man! I just didn't get him in time. I hit the wrong side, but it's fine. time. Just pass by, Ark. Just pass by. You don't even know what we're looking for, brother. Come on. We can make it, y'all. Somebody's already shot things in here. Fuck. May have not made it in time, but I'm gonna get the scraps. Hello, friend. Just coming to get the scraps. So don't worry about me, my boy. If you actually need an Arc Surveyor core, I have an extra one, and I have plenty of them. Would you want it?
Hey there.
Yeah, I'll drop that for you. Oh. Did you need that, brother, or are you good?
Nope, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah, man. Have a good one with your raid, brother. See, that guy was chill as fuck. And he left a purple. What a fool. What an actual fool. He left a freaking purple for me, bruh. I'm like full up almost. I think maybe I literally dip and just reset. Okay, let me reload. This thing ain't gonna get me. Hey, stop pulling some goddamn diamonds. There we go. I'll be hit. What was that? Some motherfucker just blew up. Some Ark just blew up right next to me. What kind was it? It was a Hornet? No, it was a Wasp. But I was about to be like, if it would just happen to be exactly what I needed.
Head home at the central swamp.
About to bust, bro. Let's go. Holy shit! Yo, brother, watch out. There's a snitch patrolling around. It was looking after me and following me, but it might, like, have gotten off me and just be chilling. I'm ass. Get better at the game. There we go. I gotta get better. That thing is chasing my ass, but it won't get me in time. I've got plenty of fucking stamina. Yeah, I'm gonna get away in time. They won't even be on my radar by the time I am here. Yep. That's what I love about those things. It takes sometimes forever to make their things spawn. Oh, another thing saw me. Run, if you could. Press it. There we go. We're good. We are officially good now. And you're going down. That's exactly right. I've gotten so many Arc kills, bro. Maybe if I could get a Hornet, that would be dope. A Hornet would be really rad. Would be kinda cool if I could get a Hornet. There's all these fucking off. There's a Hornet nearby. I could really use a Hornet. I don't think there's any Hornets nearby, bro. Not bad. Not bad. bad at all, y'all. I did level up. Hell yeah. Yeah. We're grinding, we're grinding, we're grinding. Nice. Nice, I only need one more Hornet driver. That's dope. And then I can come here, make some electrical components, and I'm good. Is that the gear bench that I get to? Yeah. Upgrading the gear bench, essential, bro. Essential. I can start making blues on the regular. Upgrading this next, essential. Because then I can start refining advanced mechanical parts. Arc motion cores, shit like that. Damn, dude, should I do another electromagnetic? I think I'm going to. This might be the last one of the stream though. And then I'm going to be hopping off stream, y'all, because I believe I need to eat still. I've not eaten today yet, and I've got a couple of more chores I've got to handle. But let's go! That dude is named friendly. I do not trust him. If I see that fucker, I'm shooting his ass. That motherfucker is named friendly.
If you're exploring topside,
You are
steer clear of any
100%
open areas
not.
as best you can.
That has already been taken out. Or it may have never been active. It may just be one of the ones that's inactive. Okay, so that's an entrance. The entrance from the bottom leads right into where the keys are. Medical where I can never find it, dude. I don't know this area as well as some of the others. Or something. Holy shit! Holy shit! Snap hook blueprint! Holy shit! Woo! snap hook blueprint. Are you fucking joking me? 2 in a row? Dude. I got a stack of durable cloth. Okay. I really think we might have to get out of here soon. Okay, so officially we're getting the fuck out of here. 3 snap hook blueprints. This shit's broken. What? Actually, what? Actually, are we joking right now? You've got to be kidding, bro. You've got to be kidding, bro. I don't care. Oh. Got a hornet? It is. How nice of you to show yourself. Dope. Nice. I can actually grab it. Oh my god, I could get everything I need. I could get everything I need right now, y'all. 3 snap hook blueprints, brother. 3 snap hook blueprints. Woo! Woo! Yeah! W-Ray! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Holy! 3 snap hook blueprints. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! And a cell. And a cell. And a cell. Oh, all the wealth I've accrued, yes. All the wealth I've built up, all the wealth I've built up. Yes. 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 Okay. Acquired. All the wealth I've acquired. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema, dude. All I need is one arc motion core for that mother. I'll do one more. Nah. I do have to go eat. All right, y'all. I appreciate everybody who could have like watched the stream. Anybody who was like watching, and anybody who was on TikTok, anybody who was on Twitch. I appreciate all y'all. Thank you very much. And we will be back for another one soon.